Hello, I'm Wendy Lee, professional brand image consultant and founder of Brand Image International Institute. Over the past 16 years, I've had the privilege to train more than 250,000 over corporate executives in various MNCs, GLCs, and other Fortune 500 companies. Not only in Malaysia, but across countries like Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, China, Hong Kong, and Dubai as well. Our award-winning Brand Image International Institute has certified more than 150 image consultants from all around the world, and the number is still growing. Today, I'm very excited to bring you our very first online certification in Personal Image Consulting program. Now is the time to pick up a new skill within the shortest period of time. You can work from home and immediately make money. If you have a love for fashion, beauty, image, and grooming, becoming a certified personal image consultant will definitely elevate your status to another level. You may be eyeing a new role or venturing into a new career. This is a time to upskill and stay relevant in your organization. You may want to run your own business, or you may already have your own existing business. This certification is definitely a great advantage to you. And to further help you during this period of COVID-19, we are now offering this course at only a fraction of the original price. With only a small investment, you'll be able to gain back 10 times, 50 times, if not 100 times more. This is an opportunity not to be missed. Our online certification program is power-packed with videos, workbooks, tools and templates for you to immediately download, apply and use. So wait no more, register now and become a certified personal image consultant.